Yo, what's going on YouTube? Technically T, and once again back with another video of case reviews for the iPhone XS Max. And what we have today are cases from Casetify. Now, before I get started, I do want to give a huge shout out to Casetify for dropping me these cases to review on the channel. I have never reviewed their cases. I've seen them in the wild before, but never actually reviewed them. So a huge shout out to you guys, and the presentation of these cases are very, very nice. Now, the packaging was a little, a little neater. I've done messed with it a little bit and made the little bow tie and everything a little loose. But this is basically what it is, Casetify. So let's go ahead and get straight into it, man. I really, really like this packaging. If you see it, here it is, casetify.com on it. Nice material of this. I mean, this actually feels very, very good. So nice packaging of your cases. So let's go ahead and see what they're talking about. Here it is. Get a little thank you card. Thank you for choosing Casetify. We love it. Wear it, love it, share it. There you go. So nice little thank you card, man. And here it is. And this is basically like a little, I want to be neat with it, but we're going to have to just get up in here. So let's take it off and peel it apart. And here are the cases, man. These bad boys look very, very good. So now Casetify, from what I can tell, is a company that makes clear cases, but they have a design on the back of them. So that's what each one of these cases are. So let's go ahead and take them out the box, and let's get the bigger box out of the, let's go ahead and get that out of the way, and let's bring these into frame. So here are the three cases from Casetify. And here is the packaging. They just open it up for you so you can, look at it as soon as you open the packaging. So I think that's very, very dope. So let's go ahead and start off, man. I don't know much about these cases, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at them. So let's go ahead and start off with, let's try to start off with this one first. So we're going to slide these over here to the side. And let's start off with this bad boy here. Now, I got stuff all over my desk, but it is what it is. So let's take it off. Probably one of the best presentations I've seen when it comes to a case. On the inside right here is like a padded material. No, they're killing it with the case game, man. The packaging of this case is super duper nice. So let's take a look at it. Let's pop this off here, and another little foam pad. Your thank you card here. Throw that off to the side. I can't even be rough with it. I got to almost take my time. So here it is. Casetify case for the iPhone XS Max. And if you take a look around the case, mostly clear case. On the outsides here, they kind of have, I'm pretty sure this is for your shock absorption. And let me see what it says on here. Tensile toughness. Yeah, so this is basically their little shock absorption material that's around on the inside of the case if you were to drop it. One little touch that I like are they have this Casetify logo that's around the camera cutout. Very nice touch. And the back of this one is kind of like some paint splotches. You know what I mean? You can get these. I think you can get them custom made. I'm not 100% sure, but they do have different designs. If you can see from the other ones there as well, they do have different designs. And this one's kind of like some paint splotches there. Nothing much, super cool about the case. Raise power button, raise volume up, down, cutout for your mute toggle, and your cutouts on the bottom for your speakers, lightning adapter, and everything like that. So let's go ahead and pop. Wow, this is a nice fitting case, man. Popping it on the iPhone XS Max, and this thing fits great, 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 great. Definitely a super nice fit when it comes to clear cases, because it's not many clear cases that fit really good, but this one fits very, very good. So let's take a look around the case. One thing about it, you can show off the color of that iPhone if you do run these cases. Your power button, nice and tactile, no issues there. Volume up and down, very nice and clicky, no issues there whatsoever. Getting to that mute toggle switch, it's a little deep in there, but it's not bad. You don't want everything exposed. And like I said, you can see that clear bezel from the color of the silver XS Max. Flipping over on the bottom, all your cutouts are spot on, no issues there whatsoever. Taking a look at the layer on the table protection. Now, I don't think they have any drop test, no rate that's on the box or anything like that. But just looking at it, you can tell it can take a pretty good drop. And it does have a nice raised lip going all the way around it. I do run a tempered glass screen protector, so you should probably be good in the case that it does drop. How does it actually fit on the phone? The fit is amazing. And once this bad boy pops on, it has a super duper nice fit to this case, and it fits very, very good. Buttons good, no droopy on the top, no droopy on the bottom. Everything is very, very nice and tight. Definitely A1 fit when it comes to this case. How does it feel in your hand? It actually feels very good. Clear case, so if the sides If your hands produce moisture like me, then it could get a little slippery on the sides, but it's not absolutely terrible. Still feels good, doesn't add too much bulk to the phone, and dropping it down on wireless charging, you know all of them are going to work with wireless charging, and that does work with wireless charging. So let's go ahead and get the other ones over here, pop them on, and let's see how they actually look. All right, so here is the clear version. Now, I think this is like the straight clear version. No bells and whistles when it comes to this one. Just a straight clear version of the case, and that's exactly like I said. You got that Casetify branding here around the camera, and you do get that white shock material going around the outside of it. So let's pop it on. And this kind of reminds you of a Tech 21 case. Very, very similar, but it does fit a little bit better than Tech 21s. A lot of people like Tech 21, but these fit a lot better than your Tech 21 cases, man. I would definitely rock with these more so than them. But the fit, once again, A1. I definitely like the way that look with the white shock material going around it with the silver. That's a pretty dope color combination there. But here is the all clear version. So if you want to rock an all clear version, show off the color of that iPhone, then this could be the one for you. So let's go ahead and check out the last one. And for the last one, we have this confetti design. Now, I'm not sure what exactly it's called, but it do have a confetti design. Now, I could be butchering these cases. If they all have a particular name, of course, they will be down in the description below with the link to the product. But here is the confetti case. I'm gonna call this the confetti case. Actually looks very good. Once again, same kind of concept. You get that black shock material going away around it. You get multicolored little confetti pieces, and those are actually like textured pieces. Now, I'm not sure if they're stickers, if you can peel them off, but it doesn't look like it's gonna peel off easy. And then you do get that signature Casetify branding around that camera logo. Popping it on. Now, I'm pretty sure this case will look dope with any color you have, especially if you have like a gold or the space gray. I think it doesn't matter what color it is, it's going to look good regardless. So here is the confetti version of the Casetify. And of course, all of these work with wireless charging. You know, it's really no need to sit back and test them all. They all work with wireless charging. So here are all the Casetify cases that I just went over, man. You got this little splotted paint version, you have your clear version, and you have your confetti version. All very, very nice cases. And if you like clear cases, and on the flip note, if you want a little design on that clear case, then these could be for you. Very, very nice cases, Casetify for sure. When it comes to the fit, the build quality, everything is spot on with these cases. So as you know, I will leave the link to all of these cases down below alongside with their current pricing. Definitely hit the thumbs up if you like this video, man. Comment, and definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for more iPhone XS Max coverage, cases, everything like that. But until next time, later.